I'm gonna begin by using a primer in my hair, and the reason that I use this is to cut down on your blow dry time. Take a dab of Mess Around 10. I put about a dime size of product in my hand. You're gonna rub your hands together. Scrunch the product in your hair. Now it's time to blow dry, and make sure that you have a diffuser. When the hair's about 50% dry, you'll see that I put more product in my hand and apply to the hair. Take the flat iron and just ribbon the hair to create more softness. You can choose to do this all over the head, as much or as little as you want. So now it's time to finish this style and add some great texture into the hair. I go for Powder Grip 03. Puff the product into your hair. Put as much or as little in as you want, depending on how much texture you're looking for. Notice how I use my hands to finally just break up the set and have fun with it.